Warning. Unstable cliffs and snakes. Ling, what's that?
A brown finger.
No.
What's that?
Good morning, guys. We're just trying to figure out where is the best lighting. I'm gonna have to light my face using my cell phone. It is 6:50 in the morning here in Melbourne, Australia. Yesterday was a very crummy day. It was rainy and gray and not the ideal weather for a walking tour, which was what we had originally planned. Good morning. It is a rainy day out here in Melbourne. Melbourne and the entire Victoria region got hammered with rain all of last night. They got 50 millimeters of rain. That's an entire month's worth of rainfall in one night. So we're going to be walking around the city and we're going to see just how bad the flooding is and try to do some touristy stuff at the same time. Hopefully we're not too affected by that. So we just left the market. It's still raining. Rainy Melbourne weather. It's all good because we got these two monstrous Godzilla-sized Australian mangoes, so all will be well. We're going. Yeah, we turn left here. We are going to be driving down the Great Coastal Road. The Great Coastal Road is basically Australia's most scenic drive. It's a drive that hugs the southern coastline of the Victoria province, the province that we're in, where Melbourne is located. Round trip, they say it should take about 10 hours to do, going and back. The end destination of the Great Coastal Road is the spot called the 12 Apostles. So 12 Apostles is a bit of a misnomer. Basically what it is there are these 8 limestone stacks kind of jutting out of the ocean. There aren't even 12. I don't know why they call them the 12 Apostles, but there's 8 of them. And actually, there's only 7 right now. In 2005, one of the stacks collapsed. So there's 7 limestone stacks that protrude out of the beach. The Great Coastal Road is one of the top things to do when you're in Australia. Definitely if you're in Melbourne, because it is a good day trip. I'm looking forward to that. But first, we need a set of wheels. We're going to pick up the rental car. Conveniently enough, there's a Hertz just up the street. So to save some money on the Hertz website, I selected the mystery car. So all you see is this picture of a car with a cover on it, but you actually don't know what car it is. All I know about this car is that it can seat 5 people. But first, Ling needs to get her coffee. Oh. it says full right there. So Ling's got her coffee. She's in a better mood.
I didn't even sip it yet. It's not that psychosomatic.
There is the conveniently located Hertz. Okay, if I drop it in after hours?
We don't have here.
So I have to be here before 5?
Yeah, or tomorrow morning, because it's 24 hours, so 9
okay.
a.m. tomorrow.
How much would parking be though? Would we be able to find street parking overnight?
Not free parking. Yeah, I'm not sure about the price, but maybe 20, I believe, in the city.
Overnight parking after 8:30 to the next morning 7:30 is free. You look at the parking
okay.
signage.
From 8:30 p.m. to 7:30.
Yes.
Where are you driving to?
We're driving to the 12 Apostles and then just doing the Great Beach, Great Ocean
The Great Ocean
Road. Oh my God.
Perfect. So did you change your driving
Well, I'm looking
license?
for
I'm from Canada originally, but I've been living in New Zealand, but I do have my
Have you
Quebec.
got the other one as well?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Copy that.
And so our mystery car is a Holden Acadia, a massive SUV, which I don't believe you can get in North America. This thing is huge. A Holden Acadia. God, this is bloody spacious, eh?
Parents are gonna be happy.
Yeah, your parents are gonna be super comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous of driving a large vehicle. This is a 8-seater vehicle. Oh wait, here's the start button. press brake to start. There we go. All right, let's go.
Freaks a lot of people out with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah.
So if you just keep your foot on the brake and put it into reverse.
Yeah. I'm gonna feel it. Oh, there it goes.
There you
There's a
go.
little vibration. What? That's cool.
Alright.
That's a cool feature.
Thanks.
I'm quite nervous right now. I don't feel comfortable driving large vehicles. I always feel like I'm gonna hit something. And I just spent 10 minutes in the parking lot trying to figure out how to bring my seat forward. I had to call someone to help me out because I missed the Camry wagon. But this is cool. Okay, so we are doing the Great Ocean Road Surf Coast Highway. Alright. I just want to open it a crack, but it won't just, because I know you have to
There.
reverse it.
Yay,
Oh, I
got
got
it.
it. Yay! Quick pit stop to get some ice cream at the Chocolaterie. What's the name of this place?
At the request of Mr. James De La Paz.
Right, I don't even like ice cream.
So don't get any. Dad, King doesn't want ice cream.
I was just joking. We're tasting. Just one spoonful, please. Don't overdo it. So this is dark chocolate. I think I might try to sneak an extra spoonful on the way out. This is a 1 meter long chocolate bar. Watch your head. Or you could use it as a walking stick. And then if that's not enough for you, this is a kilo. Pretty heavy. I think I want mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip. That's a big scoop. That's one scoop?
Yep.
This is ginormous. It's as big as your face. Damn, this is huge. Mint chocolate chip. Pretty monstrous. Mint chocolate chip. It's like a microphone. Can I ask you a question? Yes, we should have split one. This is too much mint chocolate chip. I'm full. Mint chocolate chip. I'm all mint chocolate chipped out. I'm already done. Yeah. I'm tapping out mint chocolate chip. I'm tapping out and I'm tagging Mr. De La Paz in. So he's gonna finish my ice cream for me. So we got here the sprinkle, rainbow sprinkle kangaroo. I guess this is the strawberry ice cream kangaroo. And oh, I guess that's milk chocolate, but it looks like dookie. Back to the Holden Acadia. There's so much tech in this vehicle that there's sensors all over and cameras that will basically makes this thing idiot proof. There's no reason why you should accidentally bump another car. Alright guys, that was about 4.5, 5 hours since we left Melbourne. We've made it. Drove down the Great Coast Road and we're at the 12 Apostles.
Great Ocean Road.
God can never get the name right. Great Ocean Road. Oh no.
Bob, be careful here.
I forgot we were in Australia for a second. Snakes are a thing here. And kangaroo crossing. We drove past several kangaroo crossing signs. So there's like 2 behind that really big one. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that was the 7th one that collapsed in 2005. "12 Apostles." Thanks for joining us. We got plenty more adventures here in Australia.